That Awful Sound is a story of love and loss and of grief and recovery. It's set within one family 3 years after the loss of someone very, very close and dear. It shows how this grief has affected all of them within that time frame. I am Leah Gasson, winner of the Platform Presents 2019 Playwrights Prize.
I think what Platform Presents is doing is amazing and giving young writers a chance to have their scripts read and then potentially put on in a reading and then a workshop and then a production. So what might seem like a kind of closed shop to some writers starting out, I think this is a very genuine way in to get their play looked at and read, and look what can happen. We can put on a reading in 2 days.
Gala and Bella from Platform Presents are incredibly lovely, wonderful women, and it would be impossible to say no to them, I think. So when they asked Morgan Lloyd Malcolm, the writer of Amelia, to work with me, she said yes, and she is a powerhouse. She is such a good writer, and not only is she a good writer, she's a good feminist. She understands that she's come from a place of support, and so she wants to offer that support out. She's paying it forward constantly, and so she read the script and she was so positive about it straight away. The play is being directed by Justin Martin. The cast we've got together is amazing. It's Carl Queensborough, Pierce Quigley, Hayden Gwynn, Amy Lou Wood, Erin Doherty, Luke Treadaway, Jessie Buckley. It's just this team of powerhouses bringing the words to life.
My experience with Platform Presents has been brilliant. I love that it's just been like, let's all muck in, let's just try stuff, let's have a go with this amazing play and just do the play justice and the story justice. We haven't really had time to get into our heads and make it an ego show. It's just been, let's do the play, which has been really great to do and connects you back to what you want to do. I don't think I've done anything like this for ages.
The advice I'd give to a rising star writer is just to write, to ignore that niggling self-doubt in your brain and edit afterwards. Just write, push through the pain, bring in the deus ex machina. When it feels horrible, when it feels like you're completely stuck, write something totally stupid, get around it, come back to it and fix it later. Just write.